So basically, I tried to use the M-term test, and if you take the limit of this, it goes to 0, so that doesn't really tell you anything. And I tried to do the direct comparison test, but the only thing I could think of that would be bigger than this was 1 over n, and that doesn't tell you anything because that diverges too, and if it's bigger than this and it diverges, then that doesn't really help. So I actually did the integral test first and did the integral of 1 over x factorial, and I got the limit of x factorial from 3 to b. And this is actually supposed to be L. This is a number, goes to infinity, so it's undefined, so it diverges. And then once I figured that out, I actually realized that I could have just did it with the p-series test. And because factorial is just the number multiplier, you can set that to the power of 1. So when p is equal to 1, then it diverges, or less than or equal to 1, it diverges. So that's it. Not good.
I believe it. Do you believe it, then?
That's a disconnect having me in here.
I know. See, if you weren't here, I couldn't rely on you.
You wouldn't be relying on me.
Yep.
I'll just have to quit coming on Fridays.
All right.
N factorial is only defined for what?
Positive numbers?
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers, right? So how do we integrate, what does 1 over pi factorial mean? What is pi factorial? Pi times 1 all the way down to 1, we won't get to 1, will we?
Right.
Okay, so since you can't use the integral test because the thing you've got there can't be turned into a function that's valid for all real numbers. Which is a nice observation in its own right, that 1 over x, that x factorial is not defined. It's only defined for when you're looking at natural numbers.
So I didn't know why it was. But,
So you can't integrate that guy, so
Okay.
the integral test fails.
okay.
So now we've just got more to think about than Monday, right? Should be, you've got something to think about.
Okay.
Keep them on.
So the p-series test wouldn't.
If you want to use, it's not a p-series.
Okay.
You might compare it to a p-series. You try comparing it to a p-series with direct comparison test or limit comparison test or something like that to try to figure out what happens.
Okay.
But it's not a p-series, right? Because p-series is 1 over n raised to the t. Got to be n to the t in the denominator.
Okay.
Other questions? Dorothy?
I was the next mark. Why couldn't you compare it to 1 over n?
Well, that's what I tried to do, but 1 over n diverges. So if 1 over n is bigger than that and it diverges, it doesn't really tell you anything.
Yeah, you're less than infinity is all that tells you.
Right.
Less than or equal to infinity, right?
So I'll have to think of another function.
Mark?
I ran it with the limit comparison test, and I just got n over n in factorial. And as n goes to infinity, really both of them go to infinity, just n factorial goes much faster. So I kind of had no way to solve the problem either.
So we're just stuck.
Yes, sir. You want to
Well,
skip
that's
it?
good. Did you get it? Zach, did you get it?
If you use 1 over 2 to n minus 1 from n equals 3.
Okay, so we got a lot of things to think about, so somebody will solve it on Monday, right? Good. Good. It's important to have some problems that not everybody gets, right? Otherwise, we're not all working on our level. It's important to have problems that everybody gets and problems that not everybody gets. Otherwise, you're not a teacher. Okay.